Hi everyone, I'm Bea. In this video, we will talk about the sweetest part of your growing journey, harvesting. In this chapter, we'll know the factors affecting the freshness, crispiness, and even the bitterness of lettuce. Lettuce may be harvested at any stage, but the best time to harvest them is when it has reached full size but is still young. When the leaves are still fresh and tender, they have the greatest flavor. Thus, you can check your lettuce if they are ready after 6 to 8 weeks of planting them. Take note that it is critical to harvest leaf lettuce before it matures. You can do this by simply removing the outer leaves to allow the inner leaves to continue to develop. You can use your hands to pick leaves that are already 3 to 6 inches long, or you can also use scissors. But why is it crucial to not harvest in maturity? Mature lettuce becomes bitter and woody, and it goes bad quickly, so keep an eye on your garden for ready-to-harvest leaves every day. Remember that it is better to harvest lettuce earlier than later. More of this will be discussed in our series 2. Here's one notable harvest tip. Harvest lettuce first thing in the morning before the leaves have been exposed to the sun. In this condition, the leaves will be at their crispiest. In the next chapter, I will reveal a big secret to an infinite supply of lettuce. And that's it for this chapter. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to follow us on social media accounts and join our vibrant community of growers by clicking in the link in the description box below. Let us celebrate your first harvest together by sharing a photo of your lettuce in the community. Don't forget to use the hashtag #MyFirstHarvest or hashtag #MyHydroponicLettuce. If you want to be updated about our upcoming works and projects, you can check out our website at www.foodforest.club. This is Bea, your guide in this exciting urban gardening adventure. Bye!